Are you interested in learning web development but don't know where to start? Well, fear not. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the basics of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's one of the most important languages in web development. Following along with me and we'll learn how to create our first web page in just a few minutes. Now, let's move on to the first topic. HTML is all about elements. An HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. A tag always starts with a less than sign and ends with a greater than sign. HTML documents are made up of HTML elements which contain the content of the web page, such as images, text, and links. There are two types of tags: container tags and empty tags. Container tags have a start and end tag, and the content in between is what is displayed. Empty tags don't have an end tag and usually contain attributes that specify information about the element. Attributes give additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Every HTML document needs a basic structure to function. We use the doctype declaration to tell the browser which version of HTML we're using. We open and close the HTML tag to enclose the entire web page. The head tag holds the metadata of the web page, and the body tag contains everything that's displayed. Now that you understand the basics of HTML, let's create a basic web page. First, we'll create a new file and add the doctype tag declaration. Then, we'll add the HTML, head, and body tags. Inside the body tag, we'll add a title, a heading, and a paragraph. Finally, we'll save the file with an HTML extension and open it in a web browser. And that's it! You now hopefully know the basics of HTML.